What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
BNGO just dropped another huge bombshell today, and this might be a great time to average down if you haven't already. Bionano Genomics announces issuance of US patent for targeted labeling strategy to complement whole genome analysis using optical genome mapping. So what they're essentially saying here is that in addition to their industry-leading optical mapping technology, they are now closer to a capability of gene sequencing as well. This is going to be a big deal for BNGO because if they're able to deliver on the gene sequencing front, this opens up another huge total addressable market. Now don't get me wrong, BNGO already has a huge total addressable market, but when you add in the gene sequencing side of things, then we're just opening up another huge revenue stream. Check this out, DNA sequencing market size to reach USD 11.28 billion by 2027. So that's why this is a big deal. And not only this, once BNGO can prove how good they are in the gene sequencing space as well, then we can officially start comparing Bionano Genomics' Sapphire product with Pacific Biosciences. And we also then increase the likelihood that ARK Invest will finally open their eyes and buy into BNGO. Now let's get back into the press release real quick. Optical genome mapping with Sapphire system already provides an industry-leading detection of structural variants throughout the genome and is used in a wide range of disease applications, including cancer and genetic diseases. This patent covers methods for labeling DNA molecules using sequence-specific probes, which can be used for the more precise characterization of specific parts of the genome in addition to the whole genome analysis. The custom probes can be used to map the limited parts of the genome that are inaccessible to standard labeling methods, such as the centromeres that can help identify highly specific sequences, such as the integration of viral DNA, and can improve the fine mapping of important pathogenic variants such as repeat expansions. Additionally, the use of highly sequence-specific probes allows Sapphire to detect single nucleotide variants in addition to SVs, which currently requires the use of an additional technology such as whole genome sequencing or genotyping arrays. And this is what Eric Holmlin, the CEO of BNGO, had to say. The patent issued today provides further protection of methods to characterize single DNA molecules and strengthens Bionano's global patent portfolio that includes 67 issued patents across 14 patent families and numerous patent applications. This novel labeling method is complementary to our whole genome mapping approach and allows us to provide a higher level of detail for those diseases or applications where it is needed, all the way to the single base pair level. We continue to innovate and add capabilities to the Sapphire system as we strive to make it the most powerful and cost-effective tool to study the variants in the genome that drive cancer and genetic disease. So guys, this is a huge step in the right direction for BNGO and it further builds on my confidence in the company. Now when we take a look at the chart, we can see that BNGO is still stuck in this downward trend. But again, this isn't specific to Bionano Genomics. The whole market is tanking and we're clearly in a bear market. On tip ranks, BNGO remains a strong buy. We have 3 analysts giving us a price target of $13.92. So if you bought in at a higher price than this, then now could be a great opportunity to average down. But always do your own research, don't just listen to me. I'm not a financial advisor and I'm just some idiot on YouTube. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.